Okay guys, so today we're going to be reviewing the new Animal Company update, and today I'm with my friend, and at the recording of the video it's March 11th, so that opened up, so come on Brian, let's go.
Wait,
Whoa, the grappler sounds different!
Wait,
The
I need my grappler.
Yo, the grappler sounds different! Yo!
It does!
Yeah, come here. Oh my god, this is going to be so scary. Come on! And guys, my friend is going to be joining us.
Bro, the grappler sounds so different! Y'all ready?
Let's go, guys.
Nico, we ready? No!
Oh my god, you hear that? Wait.
Nico!
Oh, I'm so happy. Okay. I'm scared.
Okay, we're so excited.
Dude, guys, me and him been waiting for this update for so.
No.
Yo, where are you guys?
Yo, we're in the new map.
The background?
Call it that, I guess.
Wait, Nico, come up here.
I'm coming!
Nico, what is this? Come over here.
There's new monsters in the new map.
Wait, you're in the vent thing?
Yeah.
Yes. Nico, come over here. Wait, Nico, let's go over there first. Not here
Yeah,
yet.
let's
Not
go
here yet.
explore. Oh, I don't know. Wait, maybe this kills you. Hold on.
I see it! Nico, the
I'm on my way.
Oh! That's no monster! Oh my god. What the hell? What the heck?
Where are you guys?
What is that?
Did you go in the elevator?
Oh my god, Brian. I think we should go in the elevator again.
Hello?
Yeah, we're in the elevator.
You're in the elevator?
Oh
Nico, is he following you?
my god.
I hear him.
Yo, there was
Who
another
would this be
elevator.
best
We should go
update?
over there. We should go over there.
Wait.
Oh, this is the room. This is the picture.
Yeah. Nico, what is this?
Did you guys go in the elevator?
Bro, Nico, I just found the right thing.
Yeah.
What is this?
I am
Yo, I'm
here.
taking this. I'm taking it.
Yo, Brian, there was another elevator. We should go over
Bro,
there.
I'm taking
Where are
this.
you?
Nico,
Right
put it in
here,
the book bag. Put it there. Put it in here.
Just stay there. We're coming. Here. Oh no, I
Wait,
don't have a
come
book
over
bag. I
here.
forgot it.
I'm putting all the rare stuff in here.
Okay, let's go. All right, stick to the ceiling, cause
Bro, I told you there was gonna be a new
the
update.
leaks were real.
Nico,
What?
I found scissors.
Where are you?
Scissors. Over here, behind you. Found scissors.
Scissors.
I'm gonna put all these things. Wait.
What is this?
Bro, this has to be the best update
What is
ever.
this?
Oh, yeah.
Can
Wait,
you
let's
guys
see how
go
much
and
it's
call?
sell for though. My grappler.
We can't
That's my
because
grappler.
then
Wait.
we can't because then if we do, my video can't hear us.
I died by Cassandra!
Cassandra.
Wait, where's my grappler, Nico?
I'm gonna
It's
go
in
back.
there. You just put it in there.
It's not in here.
Yes, it is. Dude, you just put it in there.
Dude, just help put it there a little bit.
No, I didn't. Why was that? Why would it be me? Why would you blame me?
No, it's not that. I'm just saying, like, I just saw it, but like, then it
Yeah, I saw it
disappeared.
go in your book bag, right?
Yeah.
Bro,
Oh,
how
this?
did a robot kill
Wait,
me?
it doesn't matter. Let's just keep going.
We have to find the other monsters. Okay, Brian, since you don't have a grappler, you have to be quiet.
Wait, I forgot the way.
There was another elevator. We have to go back.
Wait, what is this? You want to jump down?
No, because you don't have a grappler.
Right. Come on. Look, if he comes, I'm gonna just go like this.
Where are you guys? Me and Daniel are here!
What? Daniel?
Oh.
Where are you guys? Daniel?
We're at the office! At the entrance!
Alright.
What the hell? He's right there.
I can hear you guys.
Bro, there's
proper.
lava here.
Now I see where you guys went. You probably went this.
Just check
Nico.
your radar. Check your radar.
Nico, found something. Nico, found something.
On 2 elevators.
Dude, what? Dude, Brian, there's still more monsters. Like 3 more.
Wait, I'm finding new stuff.
Come here, we have to try to find them. What the heck?
Wait, Nico, where are you going? Wait, I can't go that much. If I fall, I'm dead.
Where are you guys? Bro, it says
Oh, Nico, elevator.
no, that's exit.
We went up 2 elevators.
Nico?
Alright, I guess we'll go up.
We're like this yellow place.
Yellow place. They just said yellow place. Brian, they just said yellow place.
Oh my god.
What's yellow?
Wait, we gotta go there fast.
What's
I need
yellow?
a whole grappler.
Brian,
now.
what's yellow?
Yeah, please. I've never seen that. No. There's no escape.
Dude, they're saying where are us? Where are they? Wait, we were just here. We were over
My
there.
flashlight keeps turning off by itself.
It's
Okay,
just a
but where
glitch.
are you guys?
We're at this like blue lights place.
Oh my god, like we even know where that is.
Blue lights, please?
Also with this yellow
Wait,
place
ain't
that
that
has like a
the
bunch
hardest
of
place in
warning
the whole
signs.
map?
No, Brian, there's no. No, we were just here.
Wait, what? Wait, let's go. Let's get out of here.
Bro, we don't know where a blue place is.
The new monster! It's 2 monsters!
What, bro?
Hey, Daniel, go back to the elevator!
What the hell is that?
Bro.
The new monster is so scary!
Oh my god, Ed, come find us there. Where are you? Damn, bro.
Oh my god!
See? See, he keeps doing that in the mine.
Okay, we went back down.
I don't know where it went back down. Don't move.
Oh, we're going back. We're going back.
Don't know where you guys are, bro.
I hear your grappler. Maybe, but we went up the elevator and we saw this new monster in these new rooms.
Nico, here.
I know.
There's
This
2
monster
monsters.
sucks.
One is Cassandra the robot. The other one is like this no-clip monster.
Yeah, I think it's the face.
It's so loud too.
Yeah, I don't know where you guys are. Wait, guys, should we just die and meet up at spawn?
What?
Let's just die and
Yeah, I'm gonna die.
let's
Guys, die,
just die and meet up at spawn.
Wait, don't die. Let this like place where there's like this big.
Bro, die at spawn.
Nico, I killed it.
Okay, die at spawn.
No, I'm just gonna go back.
Bro, just die, like. God, bro.
Yo, I died. Okay.
Wait, Brian, don't go yet.
Come on.
Don't
Let's
go
hurry
yet. I'm just gonna get this.
I'm trying to get all the rare items today.
Not even rare.
For like right now.
We're coming
Yeah,
to
let's
spawn.
go.
Okay.
Well, the ATM is not here though.
Yeah, I think they lied
Man.
about that.
Wait, Nico, why is your pickaxe red?
Yo!
Holy fuck,
They changed the
That was so
pickaxe! They changed the pickaxe!
Oh my god. That was so scary!
Yo,
Bro,
yeah.
that was so fucking scary, bro.
Wait,
And
don't
not the
curse,
wrong
don't curse,
one.
don't curse. I'm filming a video.
Yeah, don't curse, he's filming. I just crapped my
Wait,
pants,
wait, can
bro.
you,
I
yo, bro,
Alright,
can you buy me
I
a
just crapped my
grappler, Brian?
pants. I got it all on camera. That was crazy.